devious. You're looking glamorous. Let's get mischievous and polyamorous. Wine and women and wonderful vices. Welcome to the cult of Dionysus. I'm feeling devious.
I'm your little angel, baby boy. We're going biblical. Taking me high. Taking me high. Keeping me high.
This is an old vintage nightgown that I bought at the thrift store for like $3. I did try to dye it previously, so you can kind of see it's kind of messed up, but it was pink, and I'm going to try and dye it with actual synthetic dye. Okay, so this is the synthetic dye I got, and then you need to add dish detergent to it, so I did that, and then you just add the dye in there as well. Make sure it's really well incorporated or else it'll be uneven. Then you just mix it around, stick your fabric in there, make sure there's enough room for your fabric to flow freely, or else again it'll dye unevenly. After about 30 minutes you can take it out. Make sure you use gloves for this, it'll stain your hands real bad, and it's really hot, so be careful. And here it is after. I had to put another slip under it because it's actually very see-through, but if you ever want to wear this outside, you totally can. And this is how I would wear it. This is a little brooch that I got, I just stuck it on, and then I just added a belt. It's cute.
Just in time for it to be cold as fuck, here's some punk craft. Alright, let's try this time now with a little less problematic imagery. Here's a couple of ways you can cut any t-shirt and turn it into a punk shirt. The first one I call the Sun's Out, Guns Out, and it's the most easiest t-shirt to cut. Now, I like to use weird t-shirts, like old beer t-shirts, old band t-shirts, even old marathon t-shirts, because I think they look cool and it's really weird seeing them. So you're gonna lay your t-shirt out flat on a surface, and just here on the outside of each seam, you are going to cut. Now, I like to leave about a ½ inch of fabric here on the edge of the seam because that'll curl up and it'll look like a cut up t-shirt without it necessarily running and causing a hole. This one is called the side slit. We're gonna cut this time on the inside and go further down. Now we repeat on the other side. Now these work better with longer shirts and you can layer them up.